Very good morning to one and all. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman from Kekiva College of Food Technology, Nasik, Department of Food Engineering. Today I will cover objectives and function of office layout and its type. First of all, we will see that what is office layout. It means the systematic arrangement of office equipments, machines and furniture and providing adequate space to office personnel for regular performance of work with efficiency. Now see that the objectives of office layout. Effective utilization of available floor space and smooth flow of work. Both power and telephone service is made available whenever necessary. Office supervision is made more easy and convenient. Reception room should be very near to the main gate or entrance. Sense of belonging and loyalty should be made in the minds of every office employees. Employee satisfaction could be the outcome of proper office layout. There should be a free flow of communication among employees. All these sections cannot work independently. So, see that the various functions of office layout. First one is to receive or collect information. Second one is to prepare record of information. Next one is to process and arrange information. To supply ready-made information to the authorities. Collect information, it means primary function of the office is to receive information from the various department of the organization. Outside through inquiries, report, orders, circulars, complaint, message, etc. To prepare record of information, information is usually received in the form of letters, inquiries, phone call, etc. and this information has to be converted into other forms which can easily be followed by the management. And to process and arrange information, the information received by the office may be length and the same in its original form may not be much useful to the management. To supply ready-made information to the authorities, an office is a machine which receives raw material and produce various items through process. Now see production plant layout, facility layout problem, design problem, location of activities, dimension, configuration. It is the production plant design problem. Depends on greenfield and location of one new machine. What are the reasons behind this? New product, change in demand, change in product design, new machine, bottlenecks, too large buffers, too long transfer time. Now see how we design a layout. Our layout will depend on product, process and logistics. These all three makes one good layout where product is designed, where process is designed, where logistic is designed. Production plant layout third, the goals. Minimal material handling cost, minimal investment, minimal throughput time, flexibility, efficiency, use of space. Production plan layout 4, that is the restrictions as well as the methods. Legislation and employees working conditions present building. Methods may emerge the right equipment at the right place or not. It means whatever the equipment is necessary that will be kept at the right place or not. Next one is whole production plant layout. It prefers situations in the future. Layout must be support objectives of the facility. No accurate data layout must be. Now see here, systematic layout planning that will be given through Muther in 1961. That is analysis, search as well as the selection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be the analysis condition. 6, 7, 8, 9. That will be the search condition and 10 is the evaluation, that is the selection. One is flow, second will be the activities, third relationship, fourth one is the space requirement, fifth one is the space available. These will be taken after the analysis and after whatever we take that comes under such reason to modify space restriction layout, and after we select for the evaluation. Data gathering 1, source product design. Product design comes to layout assembly line. Then data gathering 2, sources process design, make or buy, equipment use, process time. Then data gathering 3, sources production, how and where we produce and where we market and which type of the machines we use for flow and activity analysis. Flow analysis, types of flow patterns, types of layout flow analysis approaches. Flow analysis and activity analysis measure the movements between the department. Flow analysis also say the layout of the facilities in the flow form. Draw to finalize. Now see, it is horizontal R2S, long line R2S. It means R is receiving and S is our volumes of production. Variety of product, that will be depends. Now see that how many types of the layout. There are 4 types of layout: fixed, product, group and process. Process layout, that is process to product, example shipbuilding. Product layout, that is the flow shop, production line according to the processing sequence of the product, high volume production, short distance. Process layout, that is the job shop. All machines performing a particular process, they are grouped together in a processing department. Low production volume, rapid change in the product mix, high interdependent. Then group layout, compromise between product layout and process layout. Product layout for product families, cells, that is the cell, also called as group technology. Space requirement, it is very much necessary when we set up the plant. Building geometry or building site, that will be the spacing condition. So desired production rate distance, engineer to order, ETO, PTO and PTS. PTO, it means production to order, PTS production to stock. Now see, equipment depends on rate, employees depends on machine and operator assemblies. In this way, we can say that production rate, that will be depends on number of machine required and how we can determine the space. There are the 4 methods for the determination of the space: production center, converting standards and projection. Production center, it means for manufacturing area, machine space requirement. Converting, example for storage area. Present space, space requirement and non-linear function of production. Then space standards, it means the spacing standards. Ratio, trends and projection, direct labor hour, unit produce. Not accurate, include space for packaging, storage, maintenance offices, rooms, laboratories, offices, parking. Now see, systematic layout planning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is our analysis condition. 6, 7, 8, 9, it is our searching condition. 10 is our evaluation. 1 is flow, second one is the activities, third one is our relationship diagram, fourth one is space requirement. We already discussed all these conditions. Where we arrange a systematic conditions, when we arrange a layout or when we plan to set up the layout, we consider these 3 things: analysis, search, selection. Now, automated guided vehicles, unmanned vehicles for in-plant transportation and manufacturing and assemblies area. 2 types of the guided: free and path. Indication wire in the floor and free and dead reckoning, plus ledgers or transponders. Design and operational control of an AGV system, track layout, number and operational control, as well as controls. Operational control remain production control, centralized control, decentralized control, think ahead or no think ahead. Production control control transportation conditions, flow and job show. Centralized control all tasks are concurrently considered. Decentralized will also be considered. Okay, thank you for listening.